Alright, so let us now scrutinize our CRA resources. So when we use create React app, it creates quite a lot of unnecessary files, especially for small applications. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to get rid of those and make certain that our application can still run. After we've done that, we're going to install a few packages that we will need for creating an application. So let me go to Visual Studio Code, and this is what we got. In the source folder we got the app, the index, a logo, a service worker, and some tests. I haven't actually seen that they now have like a set of tests for Jest. That's kind of cool. I think that's in the new version 3.16.12, I believe. Yeah. Awesome. Anyways, if we go to index.js, we can see there's a service worker, but we don't really need right now. We don't need to load faster and offline. No, thank you. Maybe later. So let's delete that. And we do need the index.css. Well, do we? Well, just keep it, no problem. The app is no problem. So we have a logo, which is like the spinning React logo. We're going to delete that. We don't really need it. And if we do that, we also have to go to app.js, and I'll delete the logo and the CSS file. And within here, I will just say, hello there. I think hello world is too boring, so let's just say hello there. Okay, I'm gonna save it, and since I deleted app CSS, we have to delete that as well. So the last thing I have is a service worker. We don't really need that. And we actually also, well, let's just keep it. That's not really a problem. Alright, so I'll save everything and I'll cancel everything here. I'll clean it up, CLS. And let's just try to run an npm start. Let's see whether our application is still working after deleting some files. And wow, hello there. Alright, cool. So that's working. So the only thing that we still need to do in this lecture is to install some packages. And we don't need a lot of them, but one of the packages that we need is Microsoft/Teams-JS. That's the package from Microsoft that actually lets us log in via Microsoft Teams through adal, and it has no documentation. That was really like the hardest part of the whole tutorial. Like, how am I going to get this to work if there's no documentation? Next, we're going to install React adal. It's just like adal, but it has a wrapper class around it for React. You can still use the native adal methods in it. So yeah, it's pretty neat actually, and it's also supported by Microsoft since I think 3 or 4 months ago. Then we have another thing which is not totally necessary, but it's nice to have, which is React Loader Spinner. Oh, sorry. This actually provides like a lot of different spinners, and you can have a look at the package. I think it has like 7 or 8 different animations. We're just going to use that circle that is going to spin like a spinner. And we need React route to none because we need to be able to oh, I forgot the space. We need to be able to route to login start and login end, so we definitely need that. And that should be about it. If I forgot one, then later I'll just add it. So if we do this, we can see that it takes a few seconds. Alright, so within Git, I can say scrutinize my CRA, and what else is it? And installed several npm packages. If it was for production, I'll probably write out the package names, but since it's a tutorial, I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna push it, so that means that right now there should be a build being created, and that's true. I think no, I'm not going to wait until it's finished and it's released, but in the next video I'll show you that we see like hello there on the web app in the cloud. So we're going to go to the last lecture and we're finally going to build the application. So if you came this far, congratulate yourself.